One thing, you know, that cure me there road, I rather come home, come cook something quick instead of buy food alone. I don't know when me get that style, because trust me, I'm not eating nothing from morning. And just tell myself so I have to come home, come cook something because I'm hungry. So we put the rice, yeah, and then we drop something in there. Either one sardine or a tin mackerel. More likely a sardine, because I like sardine more. Or I can cut up all sausages in there. We don't know. Because see what we're going to turn up with. All I know, something I have to cook. Because we have to eat. Right, guys? Right, so that I go on and what I go on.